So here we are. I would like today to show you my collection of broken rotary parts. I mean, just look at this destruction over here. We have gear that is absolutely bonkers and I should probably throw it away, but you know, little souvenir. With this we have matching our gear rotor, and actually I would like to press out this gear just to change it, but we can see the gears are shattered. I have some rear plate that I will probably show you later. Also we have some seals. Only seals that I found that broke on every engine that I disassembled was two side seals and this one corner seal that I don't even know how to show you. Either way, from another problems with rotary engines, I had some rotor, but I gave it away. But matching this rotor is here housing that have Wolverine claws marks on it. Here is only housing that I have after apex seals fail, so I don't have a rotor for it, as you can see. Let's show you the side plate, or I will rather take it here, just to show you how much damage you can get while you will have broken side seal. Also, we might just find out some other destructive parts over here, like this copper. It's not flaking, I don't have any flaking bearing, but it would be pretty close to it. So, or here I have, this one was flaking. Here we have shot bearing from 6-port engine. As we can see, we have lack of grinding material. So I will just jump for the last part, and I would like to show you two of all the engines I had that blew on me. So I will just get right back in. And here we have our plate. Maybe you can come a little closer, but I will probably get another shot. Here we have a side seal that broke off somewhere over here, and we have markings in here that are our biggest concern. But either way, this was all parts that I actually have that broke on the rotary engine. I had also broken E-shaft, but it wasn't broken by any mean by driving, but just the user got the angle grinder that he couldn't just take out the 54mm bolt, so he just cut it out and nothing was found after it. So let me show you the engine that blew on me. Probably you're thinking that it was this one from this Mazda, although I had problems with emissions for this car. No, it wasn't. The engine that I had problems with is KLDE engine from Ford Pro. It is heavy. It actually blew on me twice, and I had numerous problems with this one engine over here. Both are piston engines, and I don't know really. Maybe I am just too much driving on the higher RPMs or something. Either way, I think it showed you that maybe not rotary are as bad as they showed it. As you see, I'm driving rotary car every day and never blew on me. These engines did. That's all for you guys. See you later, and as always, have a nice day.